In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge photos in Photopea. First, open Photopea and create a new project by clicking on File at the top left corner and selecting New. Choose any canvas size you prefer and click Create. It is important to create a blank canvas first instead of opening an image directly, because you need a background to properly merge multiple photos together. Once your blank canvas is ready, go back to File and choose Open and Place. Select the photos you want to merge and click Open. Each photo will appear as a separate layer in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. Now select the Move tool from the left toolbar and make sure Transform controls are enabled from the top bar. This will allow you to see the corner handles around each image. Click on a photo layer and drag the corners to resize it. Repeat this process for the second image. Arrange both images so that they slightly overlap in the area where you want them to blend together. You can also adjust which layer appears on top by dragging it higher or lower in the Layers panel. Before blending, right-click on the first photo layer and choose Rasterize. If the Rasterize option is not available, first select Convert to Smart Object and then choose Rasterize. Do the same for the second photo layer, making sure both layers are rasterized individually. After that, select the first photo layer, hold Ctrl or Command on your keyboard and click on the second photo layer so both layers are selected at the same time. Go to the Edit menu at the top left and choose Auto Blend. Photopea will automatically blend the overlapping areas and combine both images into one smooth composition. Once the blending is complete, you can resize or reposition the merged result as needed. To finalize your image, select the Crop tool from the left toolbar. If another tool is visible in that slot, right-click on it and choose Crop tool. Adjust the crop area so it includes the full merged image. Make sure the Delete Crop Pixels option at the top is enabled, then confirm the crop. You will now have a cleanly merged image made from both photos combined together. And this is how you can merge photos in Photopea.